growing apple. Number 8. Courgette. Okay. Hello friend, how to creating apple with double egg and courgette. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay friend, how to creating apple with double egg. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Okay, growing apple with double egg. Okay, wow. Wow. Growing apple with double egg.